Hello, this is George Senda, the one, the only, the official, the authentic, the real, the original, the guy from Pittsburgh. Accept no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, or trolls. And I forgot to mention that all these videos have been Burgh unboxing, which is what I've been doing, and I had 5 items today. So here's another item. Let's open it up. And this says, and I have no idea who sent this, a gift for you. And it doesn't say who it's from. And I have one, and it acts funny. And its mother dresses it funny. All right, this is a Sunbeam heated blanket. Oh my God, this is not a throw. This is a full-size fleece heated blanket that will cover the whole bed. I've been using the heated throw, and it flashes when you plug it in too long, and this is fantastic. Thank you for this, because at night in here when it gets really cold, I get super cold and I can't sleep. Well, I'm staying up watching videos till 5 in the morning. It's too cold to go to sleep. Well, thank you for this. I really appreciate it, and I don't know where I'm going to put the box. So, this is really great. I couldn't afford this unless I saved up for a while. So thank you very, very much, whoever sent it. And it's a great day because Sewergab is still down. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe, people. And no stimulus check for us yet. I don't know why they just don't send all these out at once instead of making you wait till May. I guess they earn interest on it, and they didn't have any problem sending Roots Chris $20 million. They got that right away, folks. All right, one more to go, and that's it for today. And I thank the Amazon driver for, when he dropped this stuff off, must have killed him because 2 things are really heavy. I thank him for risking his life, and we had a chat, and I said, you know, and it's criminal that they made the drivers buy their own masks and gloves. The Amazon Jeff Bezos should have paid for that out of his pocket. What a jerk. Or jagoff, as we say back in Pittsburgh. All right, that's it for this one. Bye-bye for now.